All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and get started here. Sound good? Sound on? Welcome to Montana State University on this beautiful July day. I would like to welcome and thank MSU President Waded Cruzado, Bozeman Health CEO John Hill, and members of the MSU and Bozeman Health teams over here for joining us today for this special announcement. Today is a historical day as we announce a game-changing partnership between two of the premier institutions in the state of Montana and the region. Just over a year ago, Bobcat Athletics and Bozeman Health partnered to provide a holistic healthcare model for Bobcat student athletes. This care includes board-certified, sports medicine-trained, primary care, physical therapy, and other specialty care, including behavioral health, and most of those services occur right in our athletic facilities. Through this partnership, Bobcat student athletes receive holistic health care that is second to none in college athletics. This partnership took center stage this spring when the COVID-19 pandemic hit our country and our community. A combination of physicians, athletic trainers, and administrators from MSU and Bozeman Health worked together to create a return-to-play policy for student athletes and programs to safely return to athletic facilities for workouts and practices. These procedures are still in effect today and continue to guide us through this challenging time. However, we are here today for a different reason. We gather with the construction site of the new Bobcat Athletic Complex in our view. This facility will change the face of Bobcat athletics and impact every Bobcat student athlete by providing academic and training support spaces while creating more space in our current athletic facilities to do just the same. It will also provide the space to expand our healthcare coverage for all Bobcat student athletes. Bozeman Health, MSU, Bobcat Athletics share a strong belief that academic excellence, physical well-being, and mental health bring about a stronger and healthier community and are essential for success on and off the field. This Bobcat Athletic Complex was made possible by the incredible generosity of over 400 donors. An early $2 million gift kickstarted the fundraising effort, and today John Hill, CEO of Bozeman Health, will discuss the capstone gift that made this project a reality, made the project behind us a reality. Montana State University and Bozeman Health have enjoyed a long history of strategic partnerships and supporting community endeavors. Today, we are proud to add to that growing list of partnerships and collaborations. This partnership and facility align with the university's strategic goals and the current strategic plan of growing mutually beneficial partnerships across Montana. Montana State University continues to set new standards, and our growth can be attributed to outstanding leadership. President Waded Cruzado understands and embraces the benefits intercollegiate athletics has on the campus, in the community, state, and region. We would not be here today without her unwavering support. At this time, I would like to invite MSU President Waded Cruzado for a few words.
Thank you so much, Leon. Can you hear me? Ta-tan, ta-tan. There you go. Okay. Good morning, everybody. It is such a great day to be a Bobcat. Well, every day is a great day to be a Bobcat. And the word of the day today is partnership. We are particularly proud of our community today as we celebrate a new collaboration between your university, Montana State, and Bozeman Health. And this will result in a state-of-the-art Bobcat Athletic Clinic to be housed in the Bobcat Athletic Complex that you see and hear rising before you. This innovative clinic will serve Bobcat athletes and will also provide services for MSU faculty and staff. It is the most recent example of a long and valued partnership that over many decades has helped shape our local and state medical services, supporting the health and growth of our dynamic community. We have been working with John Hill, Bozeman Health, the staff since 1971. to train doctors as the Montana location for the Washington, Wyoming, Alaska, Montana, Idaho Medical Education Program, also known as WWAMI. WWAMI students have received essential training at Bozeman Health since the program started. As a result, hundreds of Montana physicians and truly physicians throughout the world have received some of their training as a result of this partnership. This partnership was expanded in 2016 when the hospital leased to MSU space in Bozeman Health Highland Park campus for WWAMI classrooms and training facilities. The WWAMI space includes 2 large classrooms and several offices. The new facility at Bozeman Health also provides space for the MSU College of Nursing and other MSU students. And speaking of the MSU College of Nursing, our dean is here. With the growth of Gallatin Valley and of what was then Bozeman Deaconess Hospital, the MSU College of Nursing began offering clinical nursing education for bachelor's degree nurses on the Bozeman campus in 2004. Previously, our student nurses had to travel to Billings, Great Falls, or Missoula for in-hospital training. Since then, Bozeman Health and the MSU College of Nursing have collaborated to educate over 320 BSN prepared nurses and another 160 accelerated bachelor's degree nurses, a total of 480 new Bobcat nurses for the Bozeman area, Montana, and the world. In addition, Bozeman Health has been a strong partner in the growth of the College of Nursing's Nurse Practitioner program, now offered at the doctoral level. Last year, the MSU College of Nursing graduated 25 DNP nurse practitioners, many of them from the Gallatin Valley. MSU DNP graduates had, listen to this, a 100% pass rate on the national certification exam in 2019. So, working together, Montana State University, the MSU College of Nursing, and Bozeman Health have ensured Montana has plenty of top-notch Bobcat nurses, the best nurses in the whole wide world. This partnership has taken on added significance during the COVID-19 pandemic, as Leon was saying. Earlier this year, when tests for the COVID-19 were difficult to access locally, MSU researchers partnered with the hospital by lending a qPCR machine, a cutting-edge device from Dr. Michelle Flanagan's lab that detect viruses, including the novel coronavirus, thus giving the community a jump start in the detection of local spread of the virus. And as you know, just last week, we announced that MSU started serving the entire state of Montana with our surveillance testing program. This is what your university, the land-grant university of the state of Montana, does. These are just a few of the examples of how MSU and Bozeman Health have collaborated to better serve this beautiful and growing community we call home. And today, we celebrate the most recent partnership. Hopefully not the last. John and I are already thinking. A clinic. Today we're opening a clinic that will make this wonderful Bobcat Athletic Complex an even more extraordinary facility, as it provides state-of-the-art health services to our community, making of it the only facility of its kind in our state and in the region. We thank you, Bozeman Health, for your foresight and for your alliance. As a land-grant institution, community service is in our DNA, and we are very grateful for this dynamic and innovative project that will serve our community for decades to come. This is what your land-grant university does best. We also thank all the members of our community and Bobcat Athletic family for making this project possible, including a great many donors who support transformed this dream into a reality, over 400 of them. Special thanks to A&E Architects of Bozeman, Martell Construction of Bozeman, and Crawford Architects of Kansas City, and all the subcontractors and others involved for their work. I know we join thousands of Bobcat fans who cannot wait for next August when the result of this innovation and vision is a reality. Once again, welcome to your university, and on the count of 3, at the top of our lungs, we go Cats, go. Ready? So at this moment, as we make this incredible announcement of this fantastic partnership, we feel that we have blue and gold running through our veins. 1, 2, 3, go Cats, go! Thanks for coming this morning. And now it is my honor to introduce my friend, my colleague, our partner, John Hill from Bozeman Health.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Cruzado. Appreciate your friendship, your partnership as always, and your sense of humor as well. So always great. I wanted to thank everybody for being here today to join us in this exciting celebration. Most importantly, and above all, thank you for wearing your masks to keep our community safe. Clearly, we're all doing our part to keep our university safe and to keep our growing community safe as well. For more than 100 years, Bozeman Health has diligently worked to meet the needs of our community. And we're proud of the history of collaboration that I have personally with Dr. Cruzado and that MSU has with Bozeman Health and has for quite some time. As we look to the future, Bozeman Health, Montana State University, and Bobcat Athletics are pleased to announce a new and exciting dimension to our collaboration in support of our broader community. Bozeman Health is building and will open a 5,500 square foot clinic location within the new athletic training complex for use by student athletes, Montana State University faculty and staff, and their family members. We believe there is an incredible synergy that will be realized through having a clinic connected to the MSU campus. This will allow Bozeman Health to provide expert, high-quality care to MSU faculty and staff and their family members. The clinic will provide same-day walk-in care as well as primary care for the whole family. Through our integrated healthcare delivery system, this also allows for streamlined connectivity to specialists should they be needed. We have renderings here to show that what the outside or the exterior of the clinic will look like. And we look forward to having you all back in the fall of 2021 when the clinic opens. Additionally, Bozeman Health is pleased to announce and very proud to announce that it has pledged to provide the final $2 million in charitable support that Montana State University needed to reach its $18 million fundraising goal for the Athletic Training Center. Bozeman Health will provide the capstone gift over a period of 7 years. And Bozeman Health is grateful to Montana State and the Alumni Foundation for allowing that flexibility. The gift from Bozeman Health was essential to making the dream of a new athletic complex become a reality, and we're really pleased that it will be recognized through the naming of the new Academic Excellence Center to be located in a yet-to-be-renovated brick breeding field house. Bozeman Health, MSU, and Bobcat Athletics have a strong belief that academic excellence, physical well-being, and mental health bring a stronger and healthier community. We have looked to other outstanding examples of university and health system partnerships throughout the country for this creative partnership, identifying the UC Davis Health and UC Davis Athletics partnership in California, in Kansas, the University of Kansas and the University of Kansas Health System and the Lawrence Memorial Healthcare System. In Colorado, the University of Northern Colorado Athletics and Banner Health are all great examples of these types of partnerships. So we are excited to lead We are excited to follow the lead of thriving communities where strong health systems and universities are partnering in innovative ways. I'll now ask Dr. Mark Williams, Bozeman Health's Chief Physician Officer, to speak on the innovative care model that we've implemented in support of our Bobcat student athletes, the Montana State University faculty and staff. Dr. Williams.
Thank you, John. It's almost worth the cost of speaking just to lower the mask for a few minutes. As Leon mentioned earlier, about a year ago, Bozeman Health became the official healthcare provider for the Bobcat student athletes. As we continue to proudly serve MSU student athletes, we're really excited to extend this model of care to our university's faculty and staff into the future. Under the expert guidance of our family medicine board certified, specially trained in sports medicine physicians, Dr. Reisig and Dr. Roche, working with the primary care team, they've been able to provide the full spectrum of primary care sports medicine to Bobcat student athletes. The care for all athletic related issues such as preparation exams, otherwise known as sports physicals, concussion evaluation and treatment, and non-surgical management of orthopedic injuries, as well as all related primary care such as the support for mental health, eating disorders, and other concerns and well-being. Addressing the total health and well-being of Bobcat student athletes helps enable them to achieve excellence not only in their studies, but also in their sports pursuits. The model of care that Dr. Reisig and Dr. Roche and their team provide for Bobcat student athletes rivals the athletic care given at Power 5 schools such as Alabama, UCLA, Clemson, and others. Dr. Reisig and Dr. Roche and their team provides on-site evaluation of student athletes, so they often never have to leave the campus, and much of this even takes place in the athletic facilities. This new clinic space will extend that ease of access to not only the athletes, but MSU faculty, staff, and their families. Having a Bozeman Health clinic on campus will make it convenient for faculty and staff to attend to their health and wellness needs when they do need care, and in a manner that reduces stress through ease of scheduling, walk-in availability, and reducing travel time. The MSU faculty and staff are an integral part of MSU and a large and engaged part of our thriving community, and we're honored to help them attain the greatest possible levels of personal and family health and well-being. So thanks again to those that worked so hard to get us there. I'll turn it back over to Leon now.
Lastly, we want to thank everybody again for coming out. I want to mention that myself, John Hill, President Cruzado, will be available to the media after this for one-on-ones if you have some questions. We have the doctors, Dr. Williams, Dr. Reisig as well, and we also have John Howe here, who is the Director of MSU Campus Planning and Design, if there are specific questions about the facility as well. So from all of us here at MSU and Bozeman Health, thank you again for coming out, and we're going to end it like President Cruzado did, like she always does. On the count of three, go Cats go. 1, 2, 3. Go Cats go! Thank you, everybody.